In this video, we will show you how to narrow down your list from less than 10,000 documents to less than 150. Now you have less than 10,000 documents. This search is where the Iris AI tools are especially helpful, as this is the phase of your search where you traditionally have two choices: spend an awful lot of time building advanced keyword queries, or spend an awful lot of time reading headlines. There are a range of different search strategies available. The first strategy we call increasingly focused analysis. Apply the analysis tool to the dataset and choose clearly relevant topics for inclusion and clearly irrelevant topics for exclusion, and the same with concepts. You should have reduced your result list by around 50%. But this of course depends on the granularity of your research question. Now, save this dataset as a new smaller dataset and redo the analysis on this smaller dataset. You should notice how the topics and concepts are now even more focused, and again, you can select them for inclusion and exclusion. This can be repeated how many times you like until you have a reading list you are satisfied with, which is dense enough that you can review it manually, deleting any of the articles that are not relevant. The second strategy is a Venn diagram of contexts. The Researcher Workspace has a very powerful and unusual filter that offers enormous potential, especially in the scenarios where the things that you are looking for are not easily put into one key term. This filter will take your own description of what you are looking for and do text similarity matching with all of the documents in your dataset to find contextually similar documents. This means you may use entirely different vocabulary from the author of an article, but the context really is the same, so you'll still find it. Context filters should have 50 to 100 words and be quite specific in order to work well. After you applied the context, sort the list based on the context filter score. Check when the results are becoming less relevant and set the relevancy score of your context filter to narrow down the list. It's possible to apply multiple context filters to create what in essence is a Venn diagram of contexts. We suggest removing the first context filter, apply a second one in the same process to fine-tune it, and then apply them both to see what articles are good matches for both of your descriptions. The flexibility of the Researcher Workspace allows you to mix and match all smart filters in any order, so you can experiment yourself.